Hi guys, it's a day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it's somewhere between Sunday and Tuesday, I don't know. But yep, so I woke up Sunday morning, I went to sleep at 5:30 p.m. on Monday evening. I was planning on waking up for martial arts at 7 p.m. and that didn't happen. So I woke up about half an hour ago. It's 2 a.m. and I'm going to make my video now because I was expecting to make it after martial arts, which never happened. So since I tell my days based on when I wake up, I don't know what day to call this. But yes, so today is my Monday-ish video. I don't know if I'm going to make this a one take. It might be funny that way, so I might make it a one take, because I'm probably going to be pretty rambly. I might decide to edit it or not, I don't know. But it'll probably be pretty rambly if I make it a one take, and that could be kind of interesting since I don't know how awake I'm going to be. So, the first thing that I'm going to talk about, obviously, the season finale of Doctor Who was on Saturday. And I liked it a lot. It wasn't my favorite finale, but it was a good one. It ended well. I'm not gonna give away spoilers or anything, except the one spoiler I will give away. Craig's hat was not damaged, so that's okay. I'm glad that Craig's hat wasn't damaged. Other than that, I'm gonna still talking about Doctor Who. I'm going to talk about Doctober. So today is the 3rd or 4th or whatever day you wanna say it is, and the month of October is an event called Doctober, which, since Doctor Who season finale for New Who was on October 1st, Doctor Who fans are doing something to keep with their Doctor Who fix, and by that we are watching the old series. Since from 63 to 89 is 7 Doctors, and there's 7 days in the week, we're doing 1 day per Doctor and just going like that. So Sunday is the 1st Doctor, Monday is 2nd, and so on. So far I watched the Aztecs for the 1st Doctor and Mind Robber for the 2nd Doctor. I like them both a lot. And now I'm not sure which one I'm going to watch for the 3rd Doctor. I'm either going to watch his first serial, because I haven't seen any Doctors other than 1, 2, 9, 10, 11 so far. So I'm either going to watch the first serial of the 3rd Doctor, or I'm going to watch the serial, or maybe it's a movie, I'm not sure, of the 3 Doctors, which is during the 3rd Doctor, but it has him and 1 and 2 in there together. I'm probably going to watch the other one that I don't watch today, tomorrow, next week for next Tuesday's thing. But my doctor quote for this week, I decided that during Doctober I'm going to see if I could quote the Doctor in each one of my vlogs, because he's going to say something funny. So my quote for the Doctor for this week is from the Doctor himself. Yes, I made some cocoa and got engaged. Okay, this next part is for you, Emily, and pretty much anybody that gets hiccups in general. To get rid of the hiccups, everyone has their own cures for it. I have a few of them. Some work better depending on how bad the hiccups are. Like the first one that I usually try or have people try is to drink while holding your ears. Usually works best if you have a straw or someone else to hold your ears while you're drinking. And if you're just drinking and holding your ears for like 30 seconds while holding your breath, because you can't really breathe while drinking unless you like taking gulps and breathe and gulps and breathe, but that's another story. See, I'm not very awake, but that's okay. But so that usually works for like mild hiccups. To get rid of harder to get rid of hiccups, if you hold your breath for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then before you start breathing again, you try to swallow, and then try to swallow again, and try to swallow a third time. After you try to swallow the third time, your hiccups should generally be gone. My last way of getting rid of the hiccups, I can't really like explain now. It's really something that you just have to do. So the third one, which is the most effective, that as far as I know, it's getting rid of all the hiccups that I've seen, is pretty much the person that has the hiccups just has to listen to me, and I'll tell them what to do and get rid of the hiccups. That's why I can't say it now. Like, I have to be like, okay, do this, now do that, now do this, now do that, and that helps get rid of the hiccups, but that's not right now. Okay, next thing that I saw on Tumblr was a quote from J.K. Rowling. She goes, "Yes, it's rather funny, really, that next to no one realizes the snake that Harry set free in Philosopher's Stone turned out to be Voldemort's final Horcrux, Nagini." Now, other than the fact that that's completely false and she never said that, I think that quote's epic. But yeah, Nagini and the original snake, they're not even the same species. Nagini's poisonous, and the snake was a constrictor, I think a python. She just never said this, it wasn't true, but it's still a pretty awesome quote. But yeah, I just thought that I'd share that because I liked it. I really need something on that door. I have to either do something. I probably need to put up pictures or post or something. I don't know. Every time I vlog sitting at my desk, I think of that. And it's a little bit just too blank for me. I don't know. But yep, so that is it for me. It's been a pretty long ramble. I think that I might just put this up how it is. I think that'll be fun. I will see you tomorrow, today, whatever day it is, will be thing. Bye!